the door and said that there's a fire, and we went out, me, my boyfriend, and my daughter. And then the police came very fast, yes. Straight away, the police, there were a lot of police, but they think that the fire brigade, the emergency and others, they came late. And it was the first one car, and then there were like 3 cars of the fire brigades, fire agents, yes. We thought it could be earlier, because every minute was, critical. That's what it is.
And
they were shouting, yes, they were shouting up on the top of us. There was one lady trapped, and then, somebody managed to help her to get from the same floor, yes, but the fire from the balcony.